Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is 1st June 2022 and the day is Wednesday. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 221.13 Riyal and with VAT is 254.30 Riyal. For 22 carats gold 1 gram price is 202.99 and with VAT is 233.44. For 21 carats gold without VAT price is 193.49 and with VAT is 222.51. For 18 carats gold without VAT price is 165.84 and with VAT is 190.72. For 14 carats gold without VAT price is 129.36 and with VAT is 148.76 for 1 gram. For 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 92.21 and with VAT is 106.04. Last but not the least, the 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 55.28 and with VAT is 63.57. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.